Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Beat FM 90.
Welcome to Bayback's Gist.
Now, today, right about now, we're going to start a show titled Laugh Out Loud. I want to look for the person with the craziest laughter. You know, you can use the witch laugh, or you can use the normal laugh, or you can use the foaming laugh, or whatever. Just get the best laugh. So right about now, I'm with AK Temple Truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up? Can you say hi to the camera?
Hey, hi, how you doing? I'm
Okay,
good.
AK, I need you to give me your best laugh. I don't care which type of laugh.
My best laugh.
Yeah.
That's kind of hilarious, you know.
Yeah, so
You're
what-
saying I should give him my best laugh?
Yes, I need a really tickler.
Okay.
So your
Yeah,
laugh
that's it.
provoked my laugh.
Yeah,
really?
it's a very hilarious laugh.
Okay,
you know.
thank you very much for
Yeah.
having me on the show.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, I also have what's the name?
Samuel.
I also have Samuel on my screen. So Samuel, can you give me your best laugh? Like,
My best laugh.
yeah. Can't you see how this laugh? This laugh are just so amusing that you would have to force yourself to laugh. So people, join us next time on the show. We'll be taking a quick commercial break now. Stay tuned.